Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I believe this will be the video for Smash Our Stash for August. Smash Our Stash, if you're new here, is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts. She came up with the ideas, and the prompts for August are a kit or a collection. My crafty channel is about my journey and what I have going on. I'm not a super organized plan 4 months ahead, know exactly what I'm doing. I'm leaving for the airport in less than an hour, and I thought, what would I like to take with me to play with? I have ephemera and all kinds of stuff, and then I thought, well, what about a video? Is there something I could work on for a video? August is kits or collections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scraps from this not too shabby shop 4th of July paper, and I'm going to take this little bag of, I'm not sure what, it looks like stickers and textiles, and I'm going to put these together, and I'm going to say, this is going to be what I take with me. Last time I traveled, the only scissors I could find, don't make fun of me if you know me and know how many scissors I have. I think these would pass TSA. I don't know. I think it's about this measurement, but I remembered, I won't take these. I remembered a tiny pair of crazy sharp scissors in my house. So I'm going to take those. I think I could cut ribbon with them. So I think there's some options here as far as crafting. I have a bottle of glue of unknown age, looks like liquid, and I want to take a needle for 2 reasons. There are buttons in here, and I won't have glue that's probably good enough to sew those on, and these bottles clog on me, and I need a needle. So we're taking a needle, and I think we should find some thread that would not be purple and go with this, because it is super fun, I think. It looks great. How about that? If you sew your buttons on, I have star-shaped buttons in here. So maybe we'll make some clusters for red, white, and blue journals. I also have not finished at this time. This is still July, and I'm still working on my July daily, but I haven't decorated it up. In fact, I'm taking, I just thought of that, a couple of blank pages. So they're red, white, and blue papers, and then I can write on the back that I pulled out of my journal. So I might decorate those. I might not, because I don't remember the context of how each one fits into the journal while I'm on the road, right? I don't want to put too much on a pocket that slides in and out. This is what I'm doing. We'll see how it turns out. I wanted you to see what I started with. And I haven't even opened this. I haven't looked in it. I chose it because a lot of it looks like stickers, which will help because I won't have 3 kinds of glue and glue dots and all that kind of stuff. And I think it could be some fun. Stick around. Let's see what happens. Here we are. This is how it turned out. And I don't have many loose items to show you, so I wanted to show you a few things in my July daily, which I never made another video about, but I did the whole thing and I am done. So in my travels, I had some washi tape stuff. I had some cool die cuts that somebody had happy mailed to me, some purchased ephemera, and I picked up along the way these neutral papers, so I used them. I made them into ephemera to put in a journal in the future. Here's one with washi tape and a couple different kinds of sticker, something I had to glue on, and then another ephemera piece. So these, maybe that was a sticker. And then I've sewed some buttons on, and I have another little sticker, and I had a little ephemera flag. So layered things up. I don't mind that the thread shows on the back, don't care at all. If you do, trim that tighter and put a sticker over it or some washi tape or a die cut. I don't care. I like my July dailies junky. Then a sticker at the top, and I've just rounded the edges, and I did the corner rounding when I got home because I didn't have those with me. Just some fun stuff. And again, so I have those ready to go for ephemera. I also consolidated the bag of stuff I took so it's more compact. And then you can see some other things that I had the pieces of paper with me, so I was able to glue things on them. And then I added this ephemera piece because I'd been through that thing. So these came in here. The ribbon was also in the kit, and I was like, oh, I have scissors. So when I got home, I snipped and stapled some things on. I didn't necessarily need a pull out there, but it's more fun. Let Freedom Ring. There were a lot of stickers in that bag. So another USA right there. My Country, I don't know if you can tell, that's an ephemera piece on top of a cute piece of paper with an ephemera star that was in there. And then this weird, I don't know what it is, somebody happy mailed it to me and it's cool. And I just cut off a small accent piece. So I have gold and silver both. This is a wild page. And then that's it. This is actually August right here. So I used some stuff and I worked with a little kit that I had. And I managed to get my July daily completely done. I just didn't have very much cool stuff to show you because I shoved it in other places. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the others in this playlist. It's a link down below that'll take you straight to the videos. You don't have to mess with hashtags. And thank you so much for joining us for Smash Our Stash to see what we get into. I love making kits for myself. Sometimes I do a bad job and don't put them away or use them, and then I forget where the stuff is. But when I got home, I did put the red, white, and blue consolidated stuff that I had away in red, white, and blue, so it won't be lost forever. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking good care of yourselves. Bye-bye.